Alright, so you just start with a very simple install of WordPress. It'll come like this. Welcome to WordPress. So from here, I guess you can't really see too well here, but the first thing I do is I go into plugins and get rid of all these whenever there's an X there. Alright, so out of the default ones, Mojo and Opt-in Monster get deactivated. So remember that. Those two deactivated. And it refreshes this time. So they're both deactivated. So we're going to check them as well as Hello Dolly. And we're going to use the other ones. So now we delete. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Blew them out. Now the ones that are remaining, activate. Now it's just two. So we're going to activate those. Alright, so now it's going to ask us to do a jetpack. So for those, all you do is connect to WordPress.com, and you'll have done this before, so you'll have an account, and it'll probably already fill it in for you. See on mine it says I am Vancouver, and I just have to click approve. You might not see this screen. It might say create an account or whatever. Just do it. It's fairly simple. You just have to put in your username and password and the domain. So I'm going to say approve. Now here's next page is where they try to trick you into paying. They just changed this recently. So see, you used to be able to click on that and it was free, but now they got that in, but now they added skip. So you skip it and it should take you right back. So now we're back. You could do these. It'll save you some trouble. But yeah, let's activate recommended settings. Might give us an error because there's nothing in there. No, it worked. Alright, so we got it. And now it turned on everything that is default. So then next we're going to configure our settings. So you go to Settings, General. In here, you'll have the name that you gave it in the last step, and then a tagline. That's the line right underneath. So let's say SEO services in Vancouver. That's all fine. Leave that all alone. Then here, you're going to switch this to Reflect Vancouver, which is up here somewhere. Vancouver. Leave the date alone, leave that's all fine. Boom. Next we got writing. This list down here, I'm going to give you a copy. You just have to fill it out with a whole bunch of other ones. We're not going to do that. Well, I guess I could just quickly do a search. I have mine bookmarked. Cheap. New York. There it is. Updated WordPress ping list. You just copy it all. Control C. Go back here. Enter. Control V for paste, and save. Alright, so that's fine. There's nothing in those we need to do. And then permalinks is very important. You want to put it to post name, or else it's going to look like that, and that sucks. Alright, so post name, save changes. And then sharing. Here you drag and drop, so it starts off with the three major ones that are live. So let's add, so we got Twitter, Facebook, Google. We also want LinkedIn. Let's put in Pinterest. Tumblr lately has been getting bigger and bigger. Reddit's pretty huge. And then I top it off with email. Make sure you got the last spot. And then I put the rest in here, just so they're there in case the user does need them. There's no harm, no foul having it in there. And then with these ones, I do the print to be the last one. There you go. Then I turn it on for front page and pages, so all three. Save. And there you have it. So now on our home page, these will show up underneath every blog. So we still have, this is the WordPress theme that comes with it. So let's go back in here and appearance, themes, and I find the best one. You have to say add new and then search. It's Poseidon, P-O-S-E-I-D-O-N. So install, activate, and there we have it. Refresh. Boom. Nice and clean. Alright, so from there we go into customize. Site identity's got the tagline. We want the tagline to display, so search engines pick it up. Site icons, I'll give you guys a bunch of site icons to put in. Select logo. Right now it's good enough with the words. If the site gets big, we'll make it look fancy with the logo. So when you change something, always do save and publish. And then you can navigate back around, find something else. The major ones, widgets, sidebar. You want to get rid of meta, so you click it and hit remove. You want to get rid of archive. And you want to get rid of recent comments, just because not enough people comment for it to fill it up. So then save and publish. Back, magazine homepage. Add a widget. Nope, sorry. Add a magazine widget. And then I usually use this one. We don't have any posts, so you won't be able to see it, but it splits it up into 6. You get 3. Yeah, it's a good one. So we got that. Save and publish. Go back. We'll go to theme options. General settings. We want a left sidebar because the human eye goes to the left. We want to enable sticky header feature. Like you see how this is going to be our navigation menu. When we scroll down, it disappears. But if we check this box, now when we scroll down, it stays. And we like that. Save and publish. Go back. Blog settings. You can fill this in if you want. Here you can have it beside or above. We want beside. Show post excerpt. Yeah, all that's fine. Back. Post settings. Show featured images header. We don't want that. We want it just above the content. We want to take off display authors because there's just one. And if it's a date, if it's an escort site, we usually take off post date. And then make sure this one is tagged down here. On. So you have on, off, on. And then we switch that. So save and publish. Back. Post slider. No, we don't need that. And that should be about it. Oh, menu, of course. Yeah, you go menu. You have to add a menu. I usually call mine top, T-O-P-P. Create menu. Okay, so this is our main navigation, so we'll check that, and then it should refresh, and now there's nothing there. But if we go add item, home, boom. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's over there. So home, and then there's the generic pages. So we got about us, and say add, then it adds it to this side. There's about us, contact us. These are going to be on all the sites. They're the major ones. Contact us. Terms of use. Privacy policy. And this isn't escort site, but usually I'd put escort network, dating network, so on and so forth. So anyway, this is good beginning. Now you can, since contact us is about us, I nest it. So you see how now they're all lined up like that, but I can drag it just a little bit over. Oh, a little bit over. Get. Oh, I gotta close it maybe. There we go. Moved it over. This one as well. And that one. there. Very finicky. There we go. So now, boom, they're under there. Alright, so we got save and publish. And then there's a little X right here. You click on that. Oh, cancel. Oh, this is the problem we ran into before. Alright.